Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to change your Facebook profile picture without knowing anyone. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So it's pretty simple. So first you need to upload a profile picture. So I'm gonna upload a profile picture real quick. I'm gonna go on my Richie Kevin view profile and then click on the camera icon which is right above my name. That's how you change your profile picture. And I'm gonna click on select profile picture. So I'm gonna put this as my profile picture. So I'm just gonna click on save, and then it's uploading a profile photo. Wait for it, and it's uploaded. Now just refresh this page, and once it refreshed, go down, and as you guys can see, this is my profile picture. Now click on the three dot which is at the top right corner of this post. Click on it, click on edit post, and on edit post, as you guys can see right below my name, it's on public. Click on it and then click on see more and place it on only me, and then that's it. Now click on save. Now people won't know I have changed my profile picture because the post of me changing my profile picture is only me, so I made the post private so people won't know that I changed my profile picture. That's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.